OpenAI continues to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence. With groundbreaking projects like deep research and a secret AI device in development, they are poised to revolutionize our interaction with technology. These advancements are not just incremental steps, but giant leaps towards a future where AI is deeply integrated into our daily lives. OpenAI's advancements have far-reaching implications. Deep research promises to change how we access and process information. The secret AI device, shrouded in secrecy, hints at a future where our interaction with technology becomes even more seamless and intuitive. These innovations signal a new era of AI. OpenAI is not just developing new technologies, they are shaping the future of how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. The world waits with bated breath for the full potential of these projects to unfold. Deep research is more than just another AI tool. It represents a significant leap forward in AI capabilities. This powerful tool, built on the backbone of GPT-4, is designed to redefine how we conduct research and synthesize information. Imagine a research assistant that can not only access and process vast amounts of data, but also understand and synthesize it in a way that's meaningful and relevant to your needs. That's the power of deep research. Unlike traditional search engines that simply return a list of links, deep research delves deeper, analyzing and compiling information from various sources. This includes text, images, and even PDFs, providing a comprehensive understanding of the topic at hand. Deep research is a testament to OpenAI's commitment to creating AI tools that augment human capabilities. It's about empowering users with the information they need to make informed decisions and explore new frontiers of knowledge. The true power of deep research lies in its integration with GPT-4, OpenAI's most advanced language model. GPT-4 empowers deep research with an unprecedented ability to understand and process complex information. GPT-4 allows deep research to go beyond simply retrieving information. It can understand the context, identify key insights, and even generate human-quality summaries and reports. This makes it an invaluable tool for researchers, students, and anyone who needs to quickly and efficiently process large amounts of information. One of the key advantages of GPT-4 is its ability to handle multi-step tasks. This means that deep research can be used to break down complex research questions into smaller, more manageable steps, making the research process more efficient and effective. Moreover, deep research powered by GPT-4 can cite its sources, providing users with a clear and transparent understanding of where the information comes from. This is crucial for building trust and ensuring the accuracy and reliability of the research findings. While deep research is making waves in the AI software realm, OpenAI is also working on a groundbreaking hardware project, a secret AI device. This device, shrouded in secrecy, is rumored to be a revolutionary piece of technology that could redefine our relationship with AI. Details about the device are scarce, but the whispers within the tech industry suggest something truly groundbreaking. Imagine a device that seamlessly integrates with your thoughts and actions, anticipating your needs before you even realize them. The device is said to be more than just a smartphone replacement. It's envisioned as a dedicated AI platform capable of leveraging the full power of OpenAI's AI models. This suggests a level of AI integration and functionality far beyond what's currently available in the market. The secrecy surrounding the project only adds to the intrigue. OpenAI is known for its ambitious goals, and this secret device could be their most ambitious project yet. Section 5. Jony Ive's touch on AI. Adding fuel to the fire is the involvement of Jony Ive, the legendary designer behind Apple's iconic products. Ive, renowned for his minimalist design philosophy and focus on user experience, brings a unique perspective to the world of AI. Ive's involvement suggests that OpenAI is not just building a powerful AI device, but also one that is elegant, intuitive, and a joy to use. His experience in creating devices that seamlessly blend into people's lives could be crucial in making AI accessible and appealing to a wider audience. It's speculated that IVE's design influence will focus on creating a device that feels natural and unobtrusive. This could involve innovative input methods, such as voice or gesture control, that go beyond the traditional touchscreen interface. The collaboration between OpenAI's AI prowess and Jony Ive's design genius has the potential to create a truly revolutionary device. This is a partnership that could redefine how we interact with technology, making AI a more personal and integrated part of our daily lives. Section 6. Funding the Future, a billion-dollar vision. Developing groundbreaking technology requires significant financial backing, and OpenAI is reportedly seeking a staggering $1 billion in funding for its secret AI device. This massive investment highlights the company's belief in the device's potential to disrupt the market. The funding is said to be backed by prominent investors, including Laurene Powell Jobs' Emerson Collective. This shows a strong vote of confidence from influential figures who see the value and potential impact of OpenAI's vision. Securing this level of funding would provide OpenAI with the resources needed to bring its ambitious project to fruition. It would allow them to attract top talent, invest in research and development, and navigate the complex and competitive landscape of hardware manufacturing. The billion-dollar funding goal underscores the high stakes involved. OpenAI is playing for the future, and they are betting big on their secret AI device to be a game-changer in the world of technology. Section 7. The smartphone's potential successor. The rumors surrounding OpenAI's secret AI device suggest a device so powerful and intuitive that it could potentially replace smartphones as we know them. This bold claim has sent ripples of excitement and speculation throughout the tech industry. While smartphones have become indispensable tools, they are not without their limitations. OpenAI's device, with its advanced AI capabilities, could address these limitations, providing a more seamless and integrated experience. Imagine a device that can anticipate your needs, automate tasks, and provide you with the information you need, exactly when you need it. This is the potential power of AI, and OpenAI's device could be the first step towards realizing this vision. However, replacing the smartphone is no easy feat. Smartphones have become deeply ingrained in our lives, and any device aiming to replace them would need to offer a compelling alternative that seamlessly integrates with our existing habits and workflows. Section 8. The Transformative Impact on Society. The development of deep research and OpenAI's secret AI device has the potential to significantly impact society, transforming how we access information, interact with technology, and live our lives. These advancements raise both exciting possibilities and important ethical considerations. Deep research could democratize access to information, making it easier for people to educate themselves and stay informed about the world around them. It could empower individuals to make more informed decisions, leading to a more engaged and informed citizenry. The secret AI device, with its potential to replace smartphones, could reshape our relationship with technology. It could free us from the constant distractions of our current devices, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. However, these advancements also raise concerns about job displacement, privacy, and the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. It's crucial that we approach these developments with a critical eye, ensuring that AI is used for good and benefits all members of society. Section 9. The Future of AI: A New Dawn. OpenAI's latest projects are a testament to the rapid pace of AI development. They offer a glimpse into a future where AI is not just a tool, but an integral part of our lives. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it's both exciting and daunting to imagine the possibilities. Deep research has the potential to revolutionize how we learn, conduct research, and make decisions. It could usher in a new era of knowledge and understanding, empowering us to tackle some of the world's most pressing challenges. The secret AI device, shrouded in mystery, hints at a future where our interaction with technology becomes even more intuitive and seamless. It could fundamentally change how we communicate, work, and navigate our world. The future of AI is full of potential, and OpenAI is at the forefront of this exciting frontier. As we move forward, it's crucial that we prioritize ethical considerations, ensuring that AI is developed and used responsibly for the benefit of all humankind.